Just tracking some aircraft tonight. Something different to do. Let's see. We've also got a military aircraft there, which is a yellow one. That's the Lockheed Royal Canadian Air Force. What's it there? Oh, that's them at the bottom. It's been a long time since I've done this. I'm using a homemade antenna. I used to have a proper 1090 antenna years ago. But all I'm using is that homemade dipole. That's all I'm using. Homemade dipole to track these. Well, if anybody's interested, you know, it's quite interesting. If you want stats, you go there, and that'll list all the airports up as it brings in the data from the aircraft. So that's what it looks like when it's busy. It's working away of itself. It's hard to think the antenna's in the house and not outside where it should be. It's doing the job. It's the most I've ever seen on there at one go. The aircraft's just gone off. We're down to 3 aircraft and 1 ground station, which is not very far away from me. 43 Bravo Foxtrot 96 ground station. TXL uniform, Tango X-ray Lima uniform 00. Another aircraft come in there at the top. Not sure what that one is like. Whether it's transmitting any data. Can't read that, what that is on there. Don't think it allows. No, it's that one. That's the one it's tracking. Boeing 777 FFX. Okay. So I'll just work away out of itself while I'm sitting on doing something else. See what comes up. You've got a scope on here as well, that's me there, which will list them up. Obviously you can open that up and fill the screen with it. Just bring it up on there. That just brings them all in. Okay. Little bit of insight there to aircraft tracking. Just using a normal dongle. Using that dongle there. Any dongle will do it. And using virtual radar server for the maps and the information. Alright, just a short video there, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Catch you later on the next one.